All right, what's up, guys? Exciting news, exciting news. So, listen, right now we're looking for property locators in your area. So, if you have some free time and you're able to drive around in your neighborhood and collect 200 properties every single week, if you're able to drive around and collect 200 properties, vacant properties per week. If you're able to do that, there's some very good income potential there for you. Um, right now, we're paying anywhere between $500 to $1,000 for every referral once we close. Meaning, once the money lands in my account, immediately I take that a portion of it, immediately sends to you. Okay, so we must close on these deals. Once the money is in my account, boom, I send it out to you. As you can see right here, I have a young lady. She went above and beyond and got me a deal, and she sent that lead out to me. I took care of it. I closed it, and immediately, look at this. I sent her $1,794.10. Now I know I told you I pay between 500 and 1,000, but if someone goes above and beyond for us, I'm going to go above and beyond for them, and I'm also going to reward them monetarily. So again, we pay anywhere between 500 and 1,000 every time we close. But we're looking for these rock stars who come into the picture and help us, and we're able to help them as well. So if that's you, if you're a person you think you can produce 200 leads per week, go ahead and contact me now at 973-342-6824. Okay? I look forward to hearing from you. I'll talk to you guys soon. All right?